Hey, and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to match the softness of our shadows to the shadows of the real world. So currently we've got a sun, and then we also have an HDRI that's lighting our scene. So first of all, make sure you use an HDRI that's got a matching sun intensity. So if it's an overcast day, use an HDRI with an overcast sun. If it's a bright sunny day, try and use an HDRI with a sunny bright day or a bright sun. So just try and match it as close as possible. But now if we look at our shadow maybe of the zombie, you can see that the shadow is quite sharp. You can see it's not like soft edges, and this is the shadow caused by the sunlight that we added here. So if I disable the sun, you can see that now it's only leaving that soft shadow created by the HDRI. But let's say we want to use a sun in the scene, but you see the shadow is too harsh. There's an easy way to match the softness of the shadow. So simply select the sun or any light source that you've added, if you added some other types of light, and then go to this light setting here at the bottom on the right hand side, and the setting that you want to change is this angle. Currently it's on 0.5, and the bigger this number, the softer the shadow will be. So let's increase this to maybe like 3, and you can see that shadow is a lot softer now. If I increase it even more, you can see the shadow will go almost away. It's just completely soft. So 0 will be a very harsh shadow. So I'm going to increase this to about maybe 2, maybe a little bit more, maybe 3, maybe more, maybe 5. We just kind of want a soft looking shadow that's not too harsh. Let's look at some of our other objects. If you look at the well, you can see that shadow is pretty good. You can see if I bring this down to 0 again, we have this very hard shadow line, and that's something we don't want. So I'm going to increase this to about 5 again, just so that we have that softness of that shadow, which is looking pretty good. So yeah, just go through the settings and play with the intensity of your sun or your HDRI, and then just change this angle of your sun just to make the shadows a little bit softer. Try and match it as best as you can. So go ahead and save your project now, and I will see you in the next lesson.